Phrasal verbs with about. See about something. To arrange for something to be done or deal with an action. You should see about getting your hair cut. Talk about. To think about or make plans to do something in the future. They are talking about buying a new house in Texas. Dream about. To have thoughts or image in mind during sleep. I dreamed about having a baby occasionally. Think about. To remember or imagine someone or something. I couldn't stop thinking about our vacation next month. Worry about. To think about problems that make you unhappy. Don't worry about that thing. I will take care of it all. Ask about. To ask for information about someone. Tell your sister I was asking about her. Fall about. To laugh that cannot stop. I fell about when I heard her story. Come about. To happen or start to happen. How did such a confused situation come about? Know about. To be familiar with or have knowledge something. He knows about his subject inside out. Run about. To be very busy doing a lot of things. I'm exhausted. I've been running about whole day. Gad about. To visit many places without worrying. While she is gaddying about the world, he's taking care of the children at home. Argue about. To disagree with someone. They frequently argue about how to raise their children. Care about. To have concern in something or someone. I really care about my boyfriend even we broke up. Decide about. To make a choice something. She has to decide about outfits, which one she will wear every day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.